Hey, to connect AirPods Pro 2nd generation into your Apple Watch, first of all, open the case with the both earbuds inside and click and hold on this button. You will have to just wait until this indicator starts blinking. Now we can release. Keep that case open. On your Apple Watch, you have to simply go for settings and you will start from this screen. So we have to go for Bluetooth. We have to simply turn it on by clicking on this switcher that is located right here. And from available devices list, you have to simply select AirPods Pro 2nd generation. If it is not working, I'm gonna just forget this device. There we go. And now just wait. And if it's still not working, then you can simply disconnect Bluetooth, then turn it on back, and here select AirPods Pro 2nd generation. And as you can see, in my case, the connection is failed because I actually have to log in into my Apple ID, but that's how you can actually do this properly. If you are logging into your Apple ID, then everything will be fine. Thanks for watching.